Making money in 2025 should be everybody's priority. This is not a year to be looking for who will give you urgent 2K. This is not a year you are struggling to survive and think that God will send the Messiah somewhere to help you. 2025 is a year that you should make one of your best financial year. So today, I want to give us at least 3 steps to take to get to our financial freedom. So stay tuned and enjoy. So welcome back to my channel. For those of you joining us for the very first time, my name is Ricken Francis. So today I want to talk about legit way you can make money in 2025. 2025 is that year, like I said earlier, is that year everybody should put making money as their top priorities. It's not the year where you'll be looking for who will be giving you urgent 2K. It's not the year you should be going around looking for a rich boyfriend. Neither is it a year for you to be looking for a rich girlfriend either. Yes, we have boys who are looking for a rich girlfriend as well. Rather, it's a year you should be financially free, financially wise, and then financially smart. So what are the things you can do to set you on your financial freedom? Number 1, set yourself on a target. So how do you set yourself on a target? Or how do you set target for yourself? First, you know what you want to achieve in 2025. So if you started the year with 10,000 naira in your account and you target yourself and say, by the end of 2025, I want to have 1 million in my account or 2 million in my account, you have set target for yourself. How do you achieve that 10 million or 1 million in your account at the end of 2025? Is if you work towards the target you have set. So if you just wake up and want to start 2025 without setting a clear goal, a clear target for yourself, I don't think you are heading to a right destination. Going to bed every day, that target you have set for yourself should be the thing that will be on your mind. So when you go to bed, you remind yourself that you have a target you are supposed to meet at the end of the year. So in meeting this target, you know that between now and June, which is mid-year, you should be able to say, okay, I have been able to achieve this. So the way it's going, I will definitely meet my target by the end of the year. The way you go to work, they give you target at your workplace. That is how you should give yourself target as a person, as an individual. Your employers are not the only one that should give you target. Give yourself a target. What do you or how do you want to achieve what you plan on achieving for 2025 financially? So now, another thing you can do, number 2, is make research on what is selling. Either in your career or in your business. What is selling? So before you even start looking for, oh, I want to get a job that will pay me well, I'll make money. What kind of job is paying well? When I woke up on January 1st, what I told myself is, I'm going to be researching to get what is selling in 2025. What can I do to make more money? How can I make more money? What business, what career path can I take? And then I found that there are certain things I found that this 2025, if you want to make money, you should go into it. Content creation is one of it. Cyber security, anything tech is selling like mad. Figure out what can you do in tech? Stay on it. What can you do in content creation? Stay on it. Social media management is another money that is on that thing. If you can manage social media, trust me, you will get so much job that you'll be amazed as well. So think of these things. Research. Don't just everybody is doing this one, you want to do it. No. Take your time. Carry your laptop, carry your phone, go on the internet. Search what can you do, what business, what investment is selling that you can venture into, and you know that at the end of the day you're going to make returns, you're going to make money from it. It could be something you are not good at. It could be something you don't know how to do at the moment. Learn it. You learn. It is not a crime to start afresh. You learn. It's give yourself and say, okay, in the next 3 months I want to learn cybersecurity. In the next 3 months, I want to learn content creation. In the next 3 months, I want to learn social media management. And the good thing is we have online courses. They don't charge for their training. They only charge you to get your certificate. Every other thing you learn for free. There'll be video classes. You will learn well. So figure out what is trending that you can sell. Is it buying and selling? Is it forex? Is it whatever it is that you know is legit, that you need to buy and sell? Invest in it. Then the third thing you can do, invest in whatever you're set to do. You know, when I said you should set target for yourself initially, when you set that target, now working towards achieving that target is another thing. So if you say now you want to do content creation or you want to do social media marketing, how do you achieve that if you first don't invest in learning how to do that? Especially for those of us who don't know how to do it from the beginning, who just want to go into it. So if they tell you come and learn social media marketing or come and learn digital marketing, and all you do is to keep complaining and tell yourself, I don't have the money, I don't have the resources, and then the little money you have that you're supposed to use to invest in what is going to improve your life and your finances, you're using it to flex. Now that is going to be a very big problem, because you'll be spending your time doing things that are not important or necessary. But when you start investing, when you put your time, meanwhile, investment does not really mean money only. I want to learn how to braid, for instance, right? Or I want to learn forest. I want to learn investment. I don't just need to put in my money. I need to put in my time. I need to put in my energy. So you don't just say because you have put in money, you just go and relax and expect that the money you have put to start bringing money, when you are not putting your time and what is necessary for that money to start bringing in money. So if you're meant to learn something new, put your mind, put your energy, put your time in it. Learn something well. It's only when you learn something well you can start getting back returns for it. I cannot wake up and say I want to be an HR personnel. I don't have HR experience, neither do I have HR training, or from any angle. How does that even, who wants to employ somebody like me? Of course, nobody. So even if it's in your career, you're looking at changing jobs, you're looking at changing careers, please invest in it. Spend money, pay attention. Don't waste that money you have put in it. Be sure you are actively involved in whatever you have taken your time to invest in. So at the end of the day, you get back whatever money you have put in that investment. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this video has blessed you. Please do not forget to share. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to subscribe as well. And of course, you can also leave a comment. Tell us how you get your financial freedom, or how you have all the plans you have that is working for you to achieve your financial freedom, so others can learn from it. Thank you so much, guys. And like I said, do not forget to share, because I know there are other people who really need to see this video and also learn from it. See you guys when I come. I still remain your girl, Riken Francis. Bye for now.